When tiling a floor, you should always start in the middle of the room, then work out in all directions. That creates a nice balanced tile pattern, but it also means that you'll need to cut border tiles to fit around the perimeter of the room. Now in this case, you see we have about a 2.5 inch wide piece of tile. Now you could measure and mark each of these pieces separately, but that's not only time consuming, but it can lead to mistakes as you're measuring each one. Here's a technique that professional tile setters use, and it's called the overlay technique. And it requires no measuring at all. Take a full-size tile and set it on the last full tile that you put on the floor. That's the tile we're going to cut, this one here. Now take another tile and put it on top and slide it tight up against the wall. In this case, I've got a cabinet there. Then mark the tile below. This will be our cut line. Now we take this over to the tile cutter, slice that off, and this piece here will become our border. That fits right in there perfectly. Now this technique is great because not only does it work with ceramic tile, but also vinyl tile and any wide plank flooring you might have, whether it's wood or even laminate.